हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल DIY विद इंद्रानी। आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी करवा चौथ का ड्राइंग कैसे करते हैं। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कट द आर्ट पेपर इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस। दिस इज़ A4 size. Now I have prepped for the drawing. This is the drawing that I will make. First you have to use a pencil very lightly. मैंने पहले भी ये कह चुका हूँ कि whenever you are drawing you have to do it very lightly. So now we will discuss what is Karwa Chauth. Karwa Chauth is a day that celebrates love, trust and togetherness. The woman fasts all day waiting for the moon, not for herself but for her husband, and he with equal love waits to see that smile when she breaks her fast. This moment where eyes meet, hearts connect, and promises are renewed is what makes Karwa Chauth truly magical. This drawing is my little tribute to that eternal bond of love and devotion. First you have to draw the eyes. मैंने पहले जो हस्बैंड है बॉय उसका फेस मैंने साइड वाला ड्राइंग कर लिया है. नाउ आई एम डूइंग द फेस ऑफ द वाइफ और यू कैन से द गर्ल. पहले एक लाइन से आपको शुरू करना है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको करना है, इसलिए मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा स्लो रखा है प्रोसेस को, ताकि आप लोग बहुत इजीली इसको कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ईजीली रिक्रिएट दिस if you follow the steps that I am doing. थोड़ा इधर उधर हो भी सकता है, and all the things I am doing in front of you, इरेज वगैरह सब मैं सामने ही करूँगी, कोई एडिट मैं नहीं करूँगी. आप देख ही सकते हो कैसे मैं लाइन ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, so that I can do the eyes both symmetrically. If you want to do it in a grid method, wait for the last and then you can just take a screenshot, put it in a grid wala drawing, and then you can recreate this. I know many of you will have some problem in doing this drawing freehand, but trust me, if you practice doing this type of drawing freehand, you will become a pro. In beginning you will just face little bit difficulty. वो मैंने भी फेस किया है जब मैं थोड़ा यंग थी, बट ग्रेजुअली यू विल बिकम अ ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट. यू हैव टू जस्ट ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस. I erased the eye part, the shading part, and again I am shading because just now I sharpened my pencil and I am just doing the detailing part. I am loving this part of the eyes, as I know already that I will color this drawing with oil pastel colors, but somehow I just can't wait to shade this part of the eyes. I'm using pencil from Camlin Supreme. This is super dark pencil. You can easily shade like you do with the 10B and 8B pencil. This is very dark pencil, so you can easily do the shading part. So as you have already seen the reference image that I took from Pinterest, I just little bit made some changes for the face, because I also have seen a picture of Janhvi Kapoor and I have recreated little bit from her face too, because I love her eyes, the big eyes, I love that. So just a little change of the face. I don't usually just recreate everything from the reference picture. I always change for my convenience. Now enjoy the background music and recreate this drawing.